Hey everyone, I'm Kelsey Grace, and here's a little bit about me. For my professional life, I'm in my fourth year teaching as a first grade teacher. I teach at Gettysburg Area School District. My school is Franklin Township Elementary School. As far as my undergraduate goes, I did graduate from Millersville University. I majored in early childhood education and I minored in athletic coaching. A couple years ago, I did attend Penn State Harrisburg for a couple semesters in a grad program for reading specialist certification, but I've currently enrolled, of course, at Millersville, and I am in their assessment curriculum and teaching program that has the concentration in STEM. So I chose to do that because I'm involved in a STEM PLC in my district, and I've also been doing some integrated STEM curriculum writing, which sounds very boring, but has been surprisingly very fun and invigorating for me. So that's been pretty fun this year. In my personal life, my hobbies, I play volleyball, I do reading whenever I can. That's mainly my summer hobby. And I do love to cook when I can. Again, mainly a summer thing. I did become an aunt in January to my nephew Trace, who's pictured there on the right. And I have another nephew on the way, and he should be here any day now, actually. Um, and the two loves of my life are pictured down below. So I got two puppies this past July, my boyfriend and I did. And Flynn is pictured on the left, and Murphy is pictured on the right. And I love them dearly. We attend weekly puppy classes. So not only do I go to class every week and have schoolwork to do, but I also work really hard to train my pups. And we go to class at PetSmart every week as well. Also, my personal life, of course, like anybody else, if I'm not spending time with my family, I love to spend time with my friends. That can be through game nights that we have or through trips that we go on. And I also just wanted to include some personal goals that I have for myself. So, something I'd love to do is to travel more. Of course, I'm sure a lot of people probably have that on their list as well. This summer, I'm looking to maybe going to Alaska, but money would be needed for that trip, so that is kind of an up in the air thing, but I would love to do that. Also another thing I would like to do some more is trying new things. If you see pictured there, I have a lobster in my hand, and I boiled my own lobster in Maine this past summer, which was an interesting experience for me, but it was new. It was something I had never done, and I had Maine lobster, so that was pretty cool. And lastly, just a fun fact. So I am a Penn State football fan, and I'm a Washington Capitals fan. But other than that, I really don't follow any sports, and that's that. However, this year I was invited to Game 1 of the World Series. My friend that is pictured there on the left, she recently got a job with the Washington Nationals, so I got this chance, an opportunity to do this, and I definitely took it. And it was a crazy experience. It was so fun. And now I consider myself an honorary Nationals fan as well. So I hope that you find some similarities or even some differences that you have with me and comment below. Thanks for watching.